Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about free PR. I know of no other way to get such massive visibility for your business at zero cost than free PR. So this is why I really want you to start doing this. Local is the easiest place to start. Find your local paper, find your local television station, local radio, and find a story that you can share your expertise with and make it interesting and valuable to their audience. You also have regional publications and then you have national media. But start today. We've got tons of videos on here with the process step by step, but getting free PR will be a game changer for your business. So look what's happening locally, see how you can tie your business into it and start pitching. If you like this tip, if you want to learn more about how to pitch the media, please join our free PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days, it's 10 minutes a day, and I will help you get massive visibility for your business. So I'll see you in the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.